Hey folks, my channel here on YouTube is dedicated to you becoming successful in reliability and maintenance. Hopefully influenced a little bit by my experience and my understanding of reliability and maintenance best practices. You can put things into action and advance your career, improve your company, improve your community. That's what this is all about. Best practices aren't really that complicated. Too many people make them so. You judge why they're doing that. I don't know. I try to make things simple, and I think that's what great leaders strive to do. Sharing my expertise and my especially my expertise in execution, I think is valuable and unique in this space. Most importantly, what I'm hoping to do is boost your confidence into taking action. This is not about you just learning stuff, me talking just for the sake of talking, showing that, hey, I've got 34 years of doing something here. No, it's to inspire you to go out there and make a difference. Today's video is going to be completely different than my other videos. I make a huge commitment at the end, ask something little from you, and a massive commitment from me for those that want to take on this challenge. Okay, this is Joe Kuhn of Lean Driven Reliability, bridging the gap between best practices that you know you should be doing, but just can't figure out how to get it done in your culture with your challenges, your leadership team. Just can't figure it out. So we'll need some pointers. Okay, first some history. 2,000 years ago, the Greek philosopher Epictetus said, if you want to improve, be content to be thought of foolish and stupid. Now that doesn't excite anybody, but there's a lot of truth in that. For me, I had this gift and I don't really know where it came from. Maybe I need to see a psychiatrist. I treated all my failures that I would have, especially in the business environment, as learnings. I didn't get embarrassed by them. It was more just my path to learning. So I picked myself up, dusted myself off, and started again and charged again with that newfound knowledge. And I find this is a massive obstacle for the vast majority of people in R&M. They're afraid to make mistakes, and then this fear keeps them from taking on actions. So, hey folks, if you can work on that characteristic of treating failures as lessons learned, it'll change your career. Okay, now my video series could be called a call to action, and that's what this is about. That's what I'm about, a call to action. In that spirit, okay, get ready. This is exciting. Everyone that submits a one-page summary of their plant's current state, reliability, and maintenance, along with what actions you're planning to take in the next 30, 60, 90 days, will receive a free, hassle-free evaluation from me. So you write to the email that's below, leandrivenreliability@gmail.com, and you just try to condense this down to one page. I'll accept as high as 2, but try to condense that as much as possible so my commitment's not too large. I'll look at it. And give you some pointers. I'll reply to 100% of them. Keep it to one page if you can, folks. Use bullets instead of paragraphs to keep it shorter. For the best results, make sure you include KPIs if you know them, the key ones. Discuss culture a little bit, discuss the leadership a little bit. That would be helpful in my evaluation. And this may be more than one email going back and forth to us. You may look at my evaluation, come back and with another comment. So I could be opening a massive can of worms here, but we'll see. My hope is to get back with everybody within, 7 days, but based on volume, that would be, if I get 100 emails a day, I'll have to extend that 7 days, but I'm still committed to replying back to everyone. This is expected to help you in 3 ways, very tangible ways. By writing down your plans, you formalize it as a commitment. It becomes a commitment when you write it down to yourself and to me. And the probability of success of your goals is 42% higher if you write them down, and it almost doubles if you share it with a friend. Now, I'm not a friend, but I'm Joe. Okay, write them down to increase your probability of success. So also by writing them down gives you a chance to look at it and say, does this look like a good plan? Are we going to be better next month than we are this month based on this plan? And sometimes this is like a cold bucket of water dumped on your head saying, we don't have a good plan and we're just, meandering through life in mediocrity, and we need a plan. So send that to me and I'll give you a couple pointers on where to get started. Number 3, expected help that you should get from doing this. By submitting to me, you get my opinion and coaching for free. Okay, so hey, I may not be the best, I'm probably not the best expert out there, but I know about how to make best practices simple. I know how to drive a culture of reliability. I've done it several times, several locations, most often in my own culture, but I've also coached others in that. So all that comes for free by you taking the time to write down your plan, submit it to me. So do you accept this challenge? Why am I doing this? This is kind of after the video. Why am I doing this? Folks, I really enjoy coaching and mentoring people, sharing my knowledge and expertise to make your life easier, to make an impact on you and your family, your career, your community, and your job. I really enjoy doing it. I interact with vastly more people, it's not even close, for free than I do as a paid service. And I get a charge out of it, so I just want to do more, and I greatly enjoy all the emails from all over the world. I mean, it gives me a great thrill to talk to somebody from Norway or from Sweden or from Australia and coach them on their success. We all have the same problems. Hopefully I'm helping out here. Folks, begin your journey. This stuff isn't that hard. You want to get free pointers from me? 1-page plan. I'll respond to 100% of them. I hope I'm not in over my head. My next video may be stop sending me emails. But hey, hit like and subscribe. And this is Joe out.